Have you been curious about bringing in textures to your abstract art, but not quite confident enough on how to do that on your own? This on-demand Intro to Textures workshop will take you through everything you need to know as if you've had no experience. You will get to see how I bring in all kinds of textures into my abstract art and how to start with it. I even start with the one thing I consider the most important must-have if you're gonna introduce textures into your art. You get this entire 5-day workshop on demand, so you get to go at your pace. That means you can watch them over and over again when it fits into your schedule. You get to pause, dive down an area that intrigues you more, or say, no thank you, that one's not for me. Because we are all so different, and it takes time to figure out which ones speak to us. You get lifetime access to all these replays and the Q&As in there. Chances are, if you've thought of a question, it's been asked and answered. And then you get to see how we incorporate even multiple textures into a painting. This is your invitation. If you've ever been intrigued to bring in any sort of texture, whether it be acrylic mediums, non-traditional textures, and even organic textures into your artwork, this is your chance to see how it's done and then personalize it to you. That means you'll get my structure, the how-tos and methods, and then you're gonna take it and align it with your personality and what is important to you, your unique qualities, things you love in art, and the colors that speak to you most. And you get very personalized, meaningful paintings that will speak to your own soul. Can you imagine that? Come join us in this on-demand Intro to Textures workshop, and let's see just how far you can go in the world of abstract textured art.